Hello, good day. Once again, you're welcome back. Let's take a look at this uh, simple trick on how to find the square of a single digit numbers. Okay, now when you say square, it simply means you are multiplying a number by itself. Okay, the square of a number is usually obtained by multiplying the number by itself. For example, if a is a number, the square of a simply means a times a, or simply a raised to the power of 2. Okay, a unique method. Here we have a unique method of doing this. So this unique method usually involves a systematic approach, okay, and it can be used to obtain the result of a square of a single digit number. What you mean a single digit number? Could be 1, could be 2, 3, up to 9. Okay, these are single digit numbers. So we can use this method to approach them efficiently and effectively. Okay, imagine you are handling children, so you can easily use this approach, to enlighten them. Let's look at example 1. I say evaluate 9 square. Evaluate 9 raised to the power of 2. The first step is here you think of a number that can be added to 9, because we're looking at 9 square here, to make it 10. Okay, and the number is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Once you are able to find the number that can be added to the given number to make it 10, all you need to do, you subtract that number from the given number. Here you subtract the number from 9. That means 9 minus 1, and that gives us 8. Okay, that is step 2. Step 2, you subtract the number from 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So step 3 is you multiply the result of step 2 by 10 in step 1. In step 1, we obtain 10. We added 1 to 9 to make it 10. So we are using that 10 to multiply the result we have in step 2, which is 8. So that means 10 multiply 8, and that gives 80. Okay, let's quickly move to step 4. Step 4 is for us to find the square of the number added to 9 to make it 10. What number did we actually add to 9 to make it 10 is 1. So we're going to find the square of 1. So 1 multiply 1, and that will give us 1, 2. Okay, once we are done with this, you just add the result obtained in steps 3 and 4 together, and before you know, we've obtained the result. So if you look at step 5, it says add the result of step 3 and step 4. And the result of step 3 is 80, and that of step 4 is 1. So 80 plus 1, and that gives us 81. Okay, you can see, very easy. Now let's buttress it with another example. Evaluate 7 square. 7 square, first step, like I said, let's think of a number that can be added to 7 to make it 10, and the number is just 3. Okay, so all you need to do is subtract 3 from 7. If you subtract 3 from 7, the result is 4. Once you subtract 3 from 7, you multiply the result there by 10. So 4 times 10 is 40. And the next step is for you to just simply say you square 3, which is the number you added to 7 to make it 10. So once you square 3, and that gives us 9. You add 40 plus 9, and before you know, you've eventually obtained the square of 49. The square of 7, which is 49. Okay, let's look at this one, number 3. You see, let's try 4. So actually we know all these things of hand. So 4 square we know is 16. Let's see whether this same approach will work. Okay, step 1, what number do we need to add to 4 to make it 10? The number is 6. So here we are saying subtract that number from 4. So here we are writing 4 minus 6, and that gives us minus 2. You see the result there is minus 2. Okay, now once we obtain that minus 2, we multiply it by 10. Minus 2 times 10, that will give us minus 20. Okay, then step 4, let's find the square of the number added to 4 to make it 10, which is 6. 6 square, 6 times 6 is 36. By the time you add 36 plus minus 20, that will give you 36 minus 20, and eventually our answer is 16. So we know that 4 square is 16. Now you can try this on your own. Go and use the same approach. Evaluate the following: 6 square, 8 square. Okay, and it's a very good approach. You can use this for children. Okay, it's very important. Please, once you see this my video, you can help me subscribe to my YouTube channel, Aghoghomatics. You can do that, subscribe, and also share on your social media platform. Have a nice time. See you in my next virtual class.